Hi, this is Chris Mansour with the HHMI BioInteractive Ambassador team, and today I'm going to show you how to create a resource playlist. As always, be sure to log in, that way you can save your resource playlist. Once I log in, I encourage you to look on the left. You're going to see the word Show in green. And click on Show, and this is going to take me to this sidebar which has your dashboard, popular resources. I'm going to click on My Resource Playlist, and what this will show you are two resource lists that I've already created, one on extinction and one on natural selection. If I scroll down a little bit farther, this is a resource that was created by the BioInteractive team that I also added to my materials. I'm going to scroll back up, click on Show, and I want to point out this blue button here at the bottom. When I click on that, this is going to give me the ability to create my own playlist. I want to look at outbreaks. Ebola has been in the news lately, so for my description, series of materials to look at disease outbreaks. Again, due to time, I'm not able to give the description I'd like, but you get the idea. Now I got to find my resources, and I know for sure there is a great short film about an Ebola outbreak. So I'm going to hit filter, and what pops up, I've got age structure outbreaks and think like a scientist. I want to think like scientist, so I hit select resource. And now this is the important tool. Here's the note. The note is going to give other teachers an idea of what the resource is about, because they'll be able to look for other playlists. I just went copy and paste the description because of time, but feel free to leave any kind of note or anything that will be helpful to other people looking at this resource playlist. So now that I have my note in there, okay, I want to add one more resource. So I know that there was a data point. So I'm going to go back in. This time I type in Ebola. I hit filter, and in this time, okay, there's the age structure that I'd like to use. So I clicked on select that resource. For the note, data point to use for a science practice. And again, using the note tool to give people an idea of what it's about. I put in my note, I go down, I hit save, and as you're going to see, I now have a resource playlist. But just to double check, I go to Show, My Resource Playlist, and there you have it, Outbreaks. So again, hopefully you found this quick webcast useful, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the BioInteractive team. Hope you found this helpful.